just my birthday week and what I did and how it went. And I'm just gonna aggressively zoom in. Wow, it's super early, by the way. That's why my face is so puffy. But birthday week. I like that one.
It's huge.
That is huge. You think Polly would like that? Don't hit me. You can record. Bye, pick up.
Why do I gotta record?
Because you're a family member. You're not me.
I've already been on the camera. I'm like barely showing your face right now.
There, zoom out. It's at the top button right here. Right there.
I don't know what I'm doing. That's zoom in.
Zoom it the other way.
Ooh.
Don't keep zooming. It's my
I love how you knew I was doing that immediately.
Ooh.
This is the brush I saw on the thing. I don't know. $4.99.
You sure this works really good?
Hey.
How's this get?
What should I get him?
I don't think. Oh, look at the cola. Look at that.
What?
Not the Coca-Cola.
Girl, look up.
Oh, this one's hard.
That's good.
No, I want to get it.
Oh, look at this. You know, I want to get one of those guns they have with the tennis balls, because I just try to shoot it at the dogs.
Oh.
Like, he hit the picture.
Okay, fine. I'll get them one toy.
Oh god.
This one's
Look, baby print.
Look at this one though.
Oh.
Okay, wait.
I like this one. This one's cute. Oh, they have another burrow.
That one's $7.
I'm just kidding.
Can I turn this off now?
No, you gotta film me.
No, I don't want to film.
Okay.
Take the...
We gotta go to Walmart. Okay. Encouragement, because she's going to print them out. Filled with cheer, so American.
Mom's favorite pasta is
Thin pasta.
Skinny pasta. I want the ugly sweater cookie.
You like this one?
She
What
wants
is it-
she
what
wants
is the flavor?
Looks like you. Where's the damage? Robin Hood.
Love you guys.
And look, a politician steal all the time.
Love you guys.
Love you.
It stayed like that even when it went back to beginners.
Okay. Oh. God dang. It's Polly's toy, but wow. Going ham on that thing. Let me see. Oh.